Okay guys, so I did get the rear coilovers. I'm about to install them. I did try to fit the OEM top hats from the 280Z, but no luck, as the spring is too small here. The diameter of the spring is too small here to fit, so that wasn't an option. So I created this template, passenger side, driver side. Goes like this. I'm gonna work on removing the wheel and the stock one. I'm gonna have to kind of drill here and here. I didn't want to do that, but in all the other videos that I saw on YouTube and on the forums, they had to do the same thing, so ain't nothing else left to do but to do it. So let me remove, I'm gonna work on this side first, the passenger side. Let me remove this and get back to you guys. Okay guys, so as you can see, this is the stock. This is a 280zx. I'm going to see if I can utilize one of the holes that's already there and then just have to drill one. Not too sure what these are, but I guess these are so it don't make noise. I guess smart idea, but it is what it is. And as you can see, look at the difference in ride height automatically. It's a big drop. I'm gonna see. I actually don't want it to be too low. My dad's driving this. He's not it's not gonna, the wheel gap is probably gonna be like 2 fingers at most, but I gotta fix the other side. And here you go. So realistically, you're widening this hole here and drilling a new one here, and that's it. guys to see the difference before I lift this. You see the gap? Almost about like a full hand. I will get a measuring tape, but there's really no need to. So let's just say about 4 fingers and a half. It's about 3 fingers. Most likely gonna be 2 once I get the other side done. I'm gonna get back to you guys. I'm gonna remove the wheel, do the same thing on this side. Here you go, guys. I did lower the driver's side. As you guys can tell from the previous video, I did install the custom strut bar. Use the passenger side. Also, you have to remember coilovers will have to set in. So I have to actually drive it, but you can definitely tell the difference from before and now. Here's the stock one. I actually brought the s13 coilover to give you guys like an actual comparison, so you guys know that I'm not like BSing you. As you can tell, like, what's the point of doing this? There's no point. But so guys, stay tuned for part 2. I will provide you a little time lapse of how I got here. I'm just waiting for the part. I still have to grind this down better and clean everything, but give it about a couple more days. I'm still waiting for the parts to come, and the 280Z shall be lowered. I'm gonna get to installing the roll bar inside, and we're making progress. Like and subscribe, guys.